This is Friday yet. We're going to mine 2012 Hyundai Elantra replacing the spark plugs today. This will work for several models. The tools you're going to need are listed below. So here are the spark plugs we'll be using. Autolite XP5702 irdium. Link below supports my channel. You can verify your engine and model on the Amazon link. First, you're going to remove the engine cover. So there's 4 bushings under here. This will just slide right off. I went ahead and placed it out of the way, put it on the windshield there, and you'll have access to your engine. Here's your 4 coils. You're going to need to get these electric devices off. You'll use a flathead screwdriver for this and pop these plastic pieces off, and then they'll come right out. Next, you're going to need a 10mm socket, and you can either use an impact or a ratchet to get those started and then loosen them by hand. So next here, I'm pulling the coils out themselves. You can just pull them, set them above, just don't lose them. Here I have a 5/8 spark plug socket. You'll stick that down in there, and you're going to need a 6-inch extension, either 3/8 or 1/2 inch, depending on the size of your socket. So get that loose with a ratchet, and then you'll be able to hand loosen these the rest of the way. Your spark plug socket should get the spark plug out, but you can also use the coil. Inspect spark plugs, see what might have caused your misfire, and we'll go ahead and put the Anti-Sieze on and put them back in and tighten it up. Use the torque specifications listed on your engine. So now we're placing the coils back in. You can either use new coils or the old ones like I did. So now I'm putting the electric connectors back on the coils, same way they came off. Here zoomed in, you'll hear a click, and then you'll put the little plastic tab down. If you like this content, please consider liking and subscribing and using my links. That really helps the channel out for the products used in this video. Thank you so much for watching, and have a wonderful day.